friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the model question paper of physics, that is from first PUC. We are going to solve today the numericals part, children, that is part D, 6th main. Without wasting much time, let we go through the numericals. Numericals starts from the 45th question, children. 45th. Let I read the question once. A projectile has a maximum horizontal range of 40 meter. The maximum horizontal range is 40 meter. Calculate. They have given the gravity value, children, that is 10 meter per second, and speed of the projection of a projectile. You have to find speed of a projection of a projectile and the maximum height reached by the projectile, children. Let me solve. Let me write first the given data. What they have given? Range maximum horizontal range. They have given range maximum, that is 40 meter. 40 meter. And G value they have given, children. G is equal to 10 meter per second. And they are not given the angle of projection. The angle of projection will be in parabola, it will be 45 degree. We all know that means theta is equal to 45 degree. And what we have to find? Initial velocity U. Initial velocity is denoted by U. And height of the projectile is H. Let me see the first question. Range maximum. What is the formula for range maximum? Is equal to initial velocity ka square into sin 2 theta divided by G. What is range maximum? It is 40. 40. U square means it is, we don't know the value, you have to find, into sin. What is the value of theta? It is 45 degree. 2 into 45 degree, children, divided by what is the value of G? It's 10. U square is into sin 2 into 45 is 90 degree. What is the value of sin 90? It is 1, children. U square into 1 divided by 10 into 40. Let it cross multiply to get the answer value of V, children. Now 10 into 40 is 400. And I write here 400 is equal to U square into 1 means U square itself. What is the value of U? U is equals to root 400. What is the value of root 400? It is 20 meter per second. We have got the value. Let me find the second tagged question. That is, what they have tagged? Maximum height reached by the projectile. Maximum height means height. H is equal to U square sin square theta divided by 2G. What is the value of U? We got 20 square. They have given square into sin square theta means what is the value of theta? It is 45 degree. 45 degree means 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 square is there. Let us square it. And 2 into, what is the value of G? It is 10. It is 10. 20 square means 400 into 1 square means it is 1. Square root cancelled and divided by 2 into 10 into 2. That is 400 divided by 2 into 10 is 20. 20 into 2 is 40. 41 is 40. 10 is. What we got the H value, children? H is equals to 10 meter. बहुत ही simple question, children. This is, take down in your notes, children, by pausing the video. Today move on to the next question. See children, the next question is 46th question. The angular speed of a motor vehicle. The angular speed of a motor vehicle is increased from 1200 RPM. RPM means revolution per minute to 1200 RPM to 3120 RPM in 16 seconds. It has increased from 1200 RPM to 3120 RPM in just 16 seconds. What is its angular acceleration? Assuming the acceleration is uniform. Uniform means the acceleration is constant here. And how many revolution does the engine makes during this time? In that time, the engine, how many revolution that is making, we have to find out children. You will find. Let me first convert RPM into radian per second children. Let me convert RPM into radian per second. That is a 46th question children. 46th question. Omega F means omega final. What they have given? 3120 RPM. The time is 16 seconds. 16 seconds. You all know that children. One revolution means 2 pi. 2 pi means 360 degree. And the time is 16 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Let me convert it into radian per second by omega F is equals to 3120 into 2 pi divided by 60. 60 ones are 5, 2. What we got? The omega F is 52 into 2, 104 pi. We have got. And we should, like that only, we should find omega initial. Omega initial is given 1200 RPM. 1200 RPM. That is 1200 into same as it is 2 pi divided by 60. 61 60 20 it will become 40 pi. It is omega initial. You all keep it in your mind children. Let me next we have find it. We have pi radian per second. Radian per second. Next, what we should find? We know that children, omega F is equals to omega initial plus what they have asked, the angular acceleration. The acceleration to be in uniform means we should find the value of alpha. Omega initial plus alpha they have given. They have asked alpha. We can find beta also, delta t. Children, what is the value of omega F? We have already got that. 104 pi. Omega initial 40 pi. Plus alpha we don't know. Without instead in using the bracket. What is delta? Change in time is 16 seconds. Children. We need alpha value. 104 pi minus 40 pi is equals to pi alpha into 16. 16 alpha. 64 pi. 104 minus 40 is 64 pi is equals to 16 alpha. Alpha is equals to 64 pi divided by 16. It will be 1s are 4s. Alpha is also equal to 4 pi radian per second. We got radian per second children. Next what we have to do means children, you all know that. Let I erase it. Children, you all know that one revolution is equal to 2 pi. 2 pi means 360 degree. Children, we should find here delta theta. How to find delta theta, children? That is omega final square is equals to omega initial plus 2 alpha delta theta. 2 alpha delta theta. What we should need? It is delta theta. Delta theta is equal to omega initial square omega final square plus minus omega initial square divided by 2 alpha. What is the value of omega f? Means we have got that 104 pi square minus initial means it is 40 pi square 2 into what we got. The alpha value is absolutely 4 pi. Let I take here pi square as a common factor. Pi square into what happens 104 square minus 40 square. Here 2 into 4 pi, it is 8 pi. 1 pi cancel. Next, what is the value? Let I calculate 104 square. Let me find the pi value is given. Delta theta acceleration during 3120 rpm in 16 seconds. How many revolution does it will make, children? 104 square minus 40 square is 9216. Pi divided by 8 into 9216 rad per second. You can calculate in your calculator also. It is the value of delta theta. This is for first tagged question. First tagged question. Let me move on to the second one. Second one, they have asked how many revolution does the engine makes is equal to, children, number of the revolutions. The number of revolutions is equal to delta theta divided by 2 pi. You all know that. What is the value of delta theta? We have got pi divided by 8 into 9216. Here 2 pi is common. 2 pi से pi खत्म हो गया. 9216 divided by 16. If you make this, we will get 576 revolutions. That's all. It is the solution for 46th question. Moving on to the 47th question. Before moving on to the 47th question, we will stop here because the video is going to be lengthy. We will make another 2 numericals in the next part of the video, children. Thank you. Please share and subscribe to our channel, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.